And you take so we're speaking about Alaska. Okay, speaking about Alaska and why it's breaking up. If you take and you freeze this bottle of stones, this bottle of gemstones, right? If you freeze them and then you all of a sudden take boiling water and you put on those rocks, those frozen rocks, they're going to shatter. They're going to crack, break, and shatter. So the reason why Alaska is breaking apart is because underneath the volcanic magma, the hot waters, the hot springs, shall we say, is coming up and hitting the ice. And when hot water hits ice, it breaks. So that's why Alaska is falling apart. So each time the weather is up in like 80 degrees and then all of a sudden it drops down to 60, well, that 60 degrees dropping down on that hot rock is going to break that hot rock. Usually temperatures will gradually go down. Instead, we've been getting up into the 60s and all of a sudden at nighttime dropping down to 40. Or we get up into the 70s and all of a sudden we drop down to 40. That's a hell of a drop. This is Tammy Sue Stuff will be met birth, Royce by identification card only. We're in for time jumps and collisions. Volcanic flows, magma, liquid fire. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out. True? I don't know. I got me this cheap watch. I got it from the $5 beach store. I'm going to take these stones out of it, and I'm going to take that glass out of it. I'm going to take the watch part out of it, and then I'm going to take and break some of these stones up, and I'm going to glue them in here with some super glue. I'm going to kick these stones out of here, and then I'm going to put some of the stones in here. I'm going to put the stones in here as well. I'm going to take all this plastic, all this rubber off, and then I'm going to put maybe like if I can find a leather band, I'm going to put a leather band on there. That'd be beautiful, don't you think? I mean, these are pretty clear. What do you think about my stone collection, my gemstones? A lot, huh? Not to mention this one, which is I gotta find a new bottle to put it in, because this water bottle here is just like I got one hell of a raw gemstone collection, don't I? I'm selling each one of those gemstones for about $50 to $100 a piece. Because they take them to a jewelry store, the gemstones, and they get like 60 or 70,000 out of just one. So yeah, I'm gonna sell them. Well, anyway, this Tammy Sue stuff will be my birth. Royce by identification card only. Signing out. Mwah. That man tried to alter me.